can see the program that you have before you.
O mwaka guku bururi-ini no muhaka thirikari igiraigire keheri-ini muigana wa ciringi mirioni 58 cia kugura macini cia guthima murimu wa malaria na ciringi mirioni 405 cia kugura macini cia guthima murimu wa COVID-19 no riu murigo uyu ni ukinyite muthia thutha wa ruhonge rwa gwika uthuthuria wa mirimu rwa Kameme guthundura na kuruguria uhuthiri wa macini ici guku bururi-ini.
Through these kits and through our launch and also through our marketing attempts, we are going to increase prompt diagnosis of COVID-19 and malaria, and this will be a big step towards the attainment of UHC.
Plasmo check nirio ritwa ria macini ya guthima murimu wa malaria guku nayo ya COVID-19 igikurikana ta COVID-19 mutafariri wa mihango ministry ya ugima wa mwiri Dagitari Rashid Aman akiuga hau kabere kugura macini ya guthima murimu wa malaria mundu arahuthagira ciringi 300 no riu plasmo check iriguragwo na ciringi 60 guku guthimwo COVID-19 mundu arihuthagira ciringi 1,500 mugaru na hau kabere kuria mundu arahuthagira gatagati ga ciringi 8,000 na 11,000 guthimwo murimu wa COVID-19.
This test is now quite definitive in terms of diagnosing malaria. It's part of our standard treatment protocol for malaria, especially in children and women. And it takes about 5 to 10 minutes to determine whether a person has been exposed to the malaria parasite. This product is indeed, yes, it is a milestone for us to be able to develop a product of this nature in our country. Because we have been importing these products over the years. And you know that malaria is a big killer in our country. Drastic reduction in price. And I think that will definitely place this product in a very good place, not only in the public market, but also in the private market.
Aman augete thirikari marina unyitaniri na Kameme ni mabiririe kwarira mitaratara ya uria macini ici gukinyira thibitari cia muingi undu umwe na thibitari cia ndukiumbe.
We have said as a government we will support our local institution that has developed this, and we will give priority to procurement of the products such as this one.
Uhuthiri wa macini ici cieri ni uhatukitio ni ruhonge rwa guthurima wagiriru wa dawa guku bururi-ini PPB. Ngiribotera Kameme TV returakwa ni Wanjiru wa Bururi.